When was the last time you took a hard look at your 401k strategy? If you're like most people, it's probably been a while. And with the economic uncertainty we're facing today, it's crucial that you rethink how your 401k is set up. You've worked hard to save, and now it's time to make sure your money is working just as hard for you. You see, when it comes to retirement planning, most people think that sticking to a traditional 401k is the safest and most reliable choice. But with inflation, market volatility, and the constant changes in tax laws, a standard 401k may not be enough to secure your financial future. The question you should be asking yourself is this the best way to protect your wealth in the long term? If you're serious about protecting your wealth, especially in the next couple of weeks, I strongly recommend you click the first link in the description to get a free guide. Thousands of Americans are making the smart decision to open a gold IRA to safeguard their savings, and you can too. Now, let's dive deeper into why you might want to rethink your 401k. The issue isn't that 401ks are inherently bad. The problem is that they're tied to the stock market, which can be highly unpredictable. You're depending on the market's performance to determine how much you'll have in retirement. But when the market crashes, so does your nest egg. If you want stability and peace of mind, it's time to consider a more reliable option. And that's where gold IRAs come into play. Gold has been a tried and true hedge against inflation and market crashes for centuries. Unlike stocks, the value of gold doesn't fluctuate with the stock market. In fact, it often increases in value during times of economic uncertainty. So if you're looking for a safe, stable investment that can protect your wealth from market downturns, a gold IRA is the way to go. But I know what you're thinking. Isn't gold risky too? The truth is, gold is one of the most stable assets you can own. When other investments are losing value, gold is holding steady or even growing. It's one of the few assets that has consistently stood the test of time. And in today's world, with inflation at a high point and the dollar losing value, having gold in your portfolio is more important than ever. Another thing to consider is the tax benefits. With a 401k, you're contributing pre-tax dollars, which means you'll have to pay taxes when you start withdrawing. This could leave you with a smaller amount than you anticipated when you finally retire. On the other hand, gold IRAs offer a way to protect your wealth while potentially avoiding those hefty tax bills. With a gold IRA, your investment grows tax deferred, and you're only taxed when you start withdrawing, giving you more control over your retirement funds. Now, let's talk about the long-term benefits. If you're nearing retirement, you need to ask yourself, do you want to take on the risk of relying solely on the market for your retirement? Or do you want to be proactive and secure your wealth for the long haul? The choice is clear. Gold has consistently outperformed the market over the past decade and continues to be one of the most trusted ways to protect your savings. So, if you have 100K plus in your 401k or IRA, or even 5 plus in savings, I highly encourage you to take a closer look at gold IRAs. They offer the stability, tax benefits, and long-term growth potential that a standard 401k just can't match. Plus, with the free guide in the description, you'll learn exactly how to make the transition to a gold IRA with ease. Before you go, remember, if you want to make sure your wealth is protected, don't wait. Gold is one of the best ways to preserve your wealth in these uncertain times. Click the first link in the description to get started with your free guide today. Your future self will thank you for it.